Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise like on paper. Solve this equation that we have. The equation is x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus y squared and plus 1 divided by y squared equal 4. Do you know how to solve this? If you know it, please show it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my videos from begin to the end to verify your solution. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now to spend my time, we go to the solution together. The equation have x squared and plus 1 divided by x squared plus y squared plus 1 divided by y squared equal 4. You should use this tree to solve it. This I only change 4 from the right side to left hand side. That I can write it x squared plus 1 divided by x squared and plus y squared and plus 1 divided by y squared and minus 4 equal 0. And so this minus 4, I can write it x squared and plus 1 divided by x squared and minus 2 and plus y squared and plus 1 divided by y squared and minus 2 equals 0. This minus 2 and the minus 2 we get minus 4. And so this I can write it x squared minus 2 and multiply 8 and multiply 1 divided by 8 and plus 1 divided by 8 all squares. And plus this I can write y squared and minus 2 and multiply y and multiply 1 divided by y and plus 1 divided by y all square equal 0. Okay, now this I can use the derivative half a squared and minus 2ab and plus b squared. I can write it's equal a minus b all square. So this I use this rule, so I get 8 and minus 1 divided by 8 all squares and plus y and minus 1 divided by y all squares is equal 0. Okay, now this we have this values is squares equal 0, but we know that this is 8 minus 1 divided by 8 or squares is positive or equal 0, and this y minus 1 divided by y is positive also equal 0. And so this if this equals 0, it must be this equals 0, and this it must be this equals 0. So we get h minus 1 divided by h equals 0, and this y minus 1 divided by y is equal 0. And now this we get h equal 1 minus divided by h, and we get h squared is equal 1, and we get h equal plus or minus 1, and this also this h y is equal 1 divided by y, and we get y squared is equal 1, and we get y equal plus or minus 1. Okay, now this we get the values of h and y is thus h equal plus or minus 1 and y is equal plus or minus 1 are our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.